Welcome to our comprehensive guide on choosing the right email marketing software for HR teams. In today's fast-paced workplace, HR professionals need efficient tools to communicate with employees, manage campaigns, and ensure compliance. Selecting the best software can be overwhelming, but with a step-by-step checklist, you'll be able to make an informed decision that suits your team's unique needs. Let's start by understanding why email marketing software is essential for HR and how it can streamline your communication processes. Before diving into software options, it's important to clarify the specific needs of your HR team. Are you looking to send newsletters, onboarding emails, or policy updates? Do you need advanced segmentation or analytics? Identifying your goals will help narrow down the choices and ensure the software you select aligns with your HR objectives. This step sets the foundation for a successful selection process and prevents unnecessary features from complicating your workflow. Budget is a crucial factor when choosing email marketing software. HR teams must determine how much they can allocate for this tool, considering both upfront and ongoing costs. Some platforms offer free tiers with limited features, while others require subscriptions for advanced capabilities. By setting a clear budget, you can focus on options that fit your financial constraints and avoid overspending. This step ensures your investment is sustainable and delivers value. A user-friendly interface is essential for HR teams, especially if multiple staff members will use the software. Look for platforms with intuitive dashboards, easy navigation, and clear instructions. This reduces training time and minimizes errors, allowing your team to focus on communication rather than troubleshooting. Consider requesting demos or trial periods to test usability before making a final decision. Integration with existing HR systems is a major consideration. The right email marketing software should seamlessly connect with your HRIS, payroll, or employee management platforms. This enables data synchronization, reduces manual entry, and enhances overall efficiency. Check for compatibility with your current tools and ensure the software supports API connections or built-in integrations. HR teams handle sensitive employee data, so security and compliance are non-negotiable. Ensure the software offers robust encryption, secure data storage, and compliance with regulations like GDPR or HIPAA. Look for features such as access controls, audit logs, and regular security updates. This protects your organization from data breaches and legal risks. Customization is key for HR communications. The software should allow you to tailor templates, branding, and content to match your company's style and messaging. Flexible customization ensures your emails resonate with employees and maintain a professional appearance. Evaluate platforms for template libraries, drag-and-drop editors, and branding tools. Effective email marketing relies on analytics and reporting. Choose software that provides detailed metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and engagement statistics. These insights help HR teams measure campaign effectiveness, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions. Look for customizable reports and dashboards that simplify performance tracking. Segmentation allows HR teams to target specific employee groups with relevant messages. The software should support advanced segmentation based on department, location, or employment status. This ensures personalized communication and improves engagement. Review platforms for easy-to-use segmentation tools and dynamic lists. Automation streamlines repetitive tasks for HR teams. Look for software that enables automated workflows, such as onboarding sequences, reminders, or policy updates. Automation saves time, reduces errors, and ensures consistent messaging. Evaluate platforms for workflow builders and trigger-based actions. HR teams often work on the go, so mobile accessibility is important. Choose software with responsive design and mobile apps that allow you to manage campaigns, review analytics, and communicate from anywhere. This flexibility supports remote work and ensures timely responses. Reliable support and training are vital for HR teams adopting new software. Look for platforms offering comprehensive documentation, live chat, and onboarding assistance. This ensures your team can quickly resolve issues and maximize the software's potential. Consider the availability of tutorials, webinars, and customer service responsiveness. Before committing, it's wise to test the software. Most platforms offer free trials or demo accounts. Use this opportunity to explore features, assess usability, and gather feedback from your HR team. Testing helps identify potential challenges and ensures the software meets your requirements. Vendor reputation matters when choosing email marketing software. Research reviews, testimonials, and case studies to gauge reliability and customer satisfaction. A reputable vendor is more likely to provide quality support, regular updates, and secure solutions. Don't hesitate to reach out to current users for honest feedback. As your organization grows, your email marketing needs may change. Choose software that can scale with your HR team, supporting larger lists, more campaigns, and additional users. Scalability ensures you won't outgrow your tool and can adapt to evolving requirements. A robust template library saves HR teams time and ensures consistency. Look for software offering a variety of pre-designed templates for newsletters, announcements, and onboarding emails. Customizable templates help maintain branding and streamline communication. High deliverability rates are essential for HR communications. The software should ensure emails reach employees' inboxes, not spam folders. Check for features like sender authentication, spam testing, and deliverability reports. Reliable deliverability boosts engagement and trust. Personalization increases engagement in HR emails. Choose software with tools to insert employee names, departments, or other custom fields. Personalized emails feel more relevant and foster stronger connections. Look for platforms supporting dynamic content and merge tags. Collecting feedback is important for HR teams to improve communication. Choose software that allows you to embed surveys, polls, or feedback forms in emails. This helps gauge employee satisfaction and identify areas for improvement. Easy feedback collection supports continuous enhancement. Scheduling features allow HR teams to plan and automate email delivery. Look for software with calendar tools, time zone support, and recurring campaign options. Effective scheduling ensures timely communication and reduces manual workload. Syncing with your employee directory simplifies list management. Choose software that integrates with your HR database or directory, ensuring accurate and up-to-date contact lists. This reduces manual updates and prevents communication errors. Permission controls are vital for HR teams managing sensitive information. The software should allow you to set user roles, restrict access, and monitor activity. Proper controls protect data and ensure compliance with privacy policies. If your organization is global, multi-language support is essential. Choose software that allows you to send emails in different languages and manage translations. This ensures clear communication across diverse teams and enhances inclusivity. Accessibility features ensure all employees can engage with HR emails. Look for software supporting screen readers, high-contrast templates, and alt text for images. Inclusive design helps reach every team member, regardless of ability. Spam protection safeguards your HR emails from being flagged or blocked. Choose software with built-in spam filters, sender reputation management, and compliance tools. Reliable spam protection ensures your messages reach employees without interruption. API availability enables custom integrations and advanced automation. Choose software with robust API documentation and support, allowing your HR team to connect with other tools or build custom workflows. APIs enhance flexibility and future-proof your investment. Data export options are important for HR reporting and compliance. Choose software that allows you to export lists, analytics, and campaign results in various formats. Easy Export supports audits, backups, and external analysis. User management features help HR teams organize access and responsibilities. Choose software that supports multiple users, role assignments, and activity tracking. Effective user management ensures accountability and smooth collaboration. Notification settings keep HR teams informed about campaign progress and issues. Choose software with customizable notifications for delivery, errors, and feedback. Timely alerts help you respond quickly and maintain effective communication. Decide between cloud-based and on-premise solutions. Cloud-based software offers flexibility, remote access, and automatic updates, while on-premise tools provide greater control and customization. Assess your organization's IT infrastructure and preferences before choosing. Backup and recovery features protect HR data from loss. Choose software with automatic backups, recovery options, and disaster protection. Reliable backup ensures business continuity and peace of mind. Employee engagement is a key HR goal. Choose email marketing software that supports interactive content, gamification, or recognition programs. Engaging emails foster positive workplace culture and boost morale. Effective campaign management tools help HR teams organize, schedule, and track multiple email campaigns. Choose software with campaign calendars, progress tracking, and easy duplication. Organized management supports consistent communication. Compliance audits ensure HR email practices meet legal and organizational standards. Choose software with audit logs, compliance reports, and policy management tools. Regular audits protect your organization and support transparency. Third-party integrations expand the functionality of your email marketing software. Choose platforms that connect with HR apps, survey tools, and analytics services. Integrations enhance workflow and support comprehensive communication strategies. Custom branding ensures HR emails reflect your company's identity. Choose software with logo upload, color schemes, and font options. Consistent branding builds trust and reinforces organizational culture. User reviews provide valuable insights into software performance and reliability. Read reviews from HR professionals, compare ratings, and note recurring issues or praises. User feedback helps you make an informed decision. Transparent pricing helps HR teams avoid hidden costs. Choose software with clear pricing structures, no surprise fees, and detailed feature breakdowns. Transparency supports budgeting and trust in your vendor. Performance monitoring tools help HR teams track software reliability and speed. Choose platforms with uptime reports, error logs, and performance dashboards. Monitoring ensures smooth operation and quick issue resolution. Legal compliance is critical for HR communications. Choose software that supports GDPR, HIPAA, and other relevant regulations. Compliance features protect employee data and prevent legal issues. A resource center provides HR teams with guides, FAQs, and best practices. Choose software with a comprehensive resource library, helping your team stay informed and maximize software usage. Access to resources supports ongoing learning and improvement. HR workflows are unique, so customization is important. Choose software that allows you to tailor workflows, approval processes, and communication templates. Customization supports efficiency and aligns with HR practices. Vendor support channels ensure HR teams get help when needed. Choose software with multiple support options, such as phone, email, and chat. Reliable support minimizes downtime and resolves issues quickly. After reviewing all criteria, conduct a final evaluation. Compare shortlisted software, gather input from HR stakeholders, and assess overall fit. This step ensures you select the best tool for your team's needs and sets the stage for successful implementation. Congratulations! You've completed the step-by-step checklist for choosing email marketing software for HR teams. By following these guidelines, you can confidently select a tool that enhances communication, supports compliance, and drives engagement. Next, plan your implementation strategy, train your team, and monitor results to ensure ongoing success. Thank you for joining us on this journey to better HR communication.